actually kind of cool. There's a white T over there. It looks like a T at least. We'll find out. Got the logger ready. Full tank, full methanol, full weight. Ready to have fun. That's a standstill. Somebody oiled down the track. Second run of the night. That's a chatter at least. I don't know. I didn't even see what happened. Thank you very much. Spun right off the line. That blows. That was horrible. Yeah, a whole second slower than before. Like, but it blew the tires off right at the line. Okay. Like, complete. How many runs you plan? As many as the car will give me. So here we go. Getting ready for the second run. The first run was horrible. Spun off the line and it did a 12.87 at 113. That's a car that was running on the lane next to me. Well, as luck would have it, the stupid AFR gauge is not working, or it's not working properly, and I'm unable to build boost now because these two are connected. So I'm gonna give it one more try. I turned off the Pro Control on this, and pretty much I'm gonna run it off of the boost gauge, kind of without a fail-safe, but we'll see what happens. I think this is gonna be the last run for the night. Pretty much I ran, what was it, like a 12? What's the best I ran? A 12? No, it's a 8.6. Nope. It's a 12.6. Yeah, you can't even see that. 12.6 is the best run of the night. And that's a whole second slower than what I ran on the 15th. Good?
Okay, your window.
Thank you. I ran a faster mile an hour, but I still cannot get it to come out of the hole. Hey, there you are. Dude, I'm running faster mile an hour than I did last time, but I cannot get it off of the fucking line.
You spinning?
The whole way.
I was like, I wonder where Billy's at, and I just parked right there. I was like, there he is.
Dude, and for whatever reason, I cannot get that thing to record.
Didn't you get faster times last time?
Yeah, 1186.
I was gonna say, I knew you ran 11.
Yeah. I'm kind of annoyed right now because that means that I gotta bring this pile on like a day that they have an event, like a big event where like they got big power cars, because I cannot hook. And I mean, I already did it.
Yeah.
It's already done it. And I tried launching really soft too, and it didn't work. So anyway, I am back home. I'm a little stuffy because I'm getting sick. And after my third run, I kind of gave up. As you can see there, the car will not launch. These first two were at 5 psi, at 1 psi, and then I tried to roll it off like I did on this one, and it got a little better, but on the top end at least. But otherwise, so you can see I couldn't get the car to launch at all. These two, this is the one I did on the 15th, and this is the one that I did tonight, but I launched both the same. Not building boost, just rolling off of the line. I just kept blowing the tires off. So I called it a night after that one. I'm gonna give it a try again tomorrow. They have an event. I'm hoping the track prep is a little better, because yeah, I haven't changed anything on the tune, and I'm obviously running better since I'm getting faster mile an hour, but I just can't get it off the line. But anyway, car lives to fight another day. I don't even know if you can see that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit the like button.